Good morning students. Let us move on to the next exercise in our annual test paper, that is question number C. Write one word for each of the following given in page number 180. You have to name the following animals which give birth to young ones. We have discussed, children, living beings are capable to reproduce their own kind. This is the way animals survive. Whether they are mammals or birds or fish or reptiles or the insects, they all reproduce their own kinds. And there are two ways of reproduction that we discussed. Animals that give birth to babies are called mammals, and animals that lay eggs, they are like birds or the reptiles or the insects. Okay, so here what we have to write, that animals which give birth to young ones, they are called mammals. Like tiger, lion, cow, dog, cat, deer, elephants, human beings, they are all mammals. Mammals, they feed their baby with their own milk, and they take care of their babies for a longer period of time. Coming to the second one, animals that can live both on land and in water. We discussed that there are different type of animals based on the way they live. They are categorized as the animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals, animals that live in water are called aquatic animals, animals that live in water as well as land are called amphibians, animals that can fly are called aerial animals, and the last category of animals is that animals that spend most of their time on trees are called arboreal animals. So our amphibians are the animals that live both on land and in water. Okay, amphibians. And as you can see, frog, toad, salamanders, they are amphibians, the world of amphibians. Okay, so here we will write amphibians. Children, though it is spelling is PHI, it is pronounced as F, amphibian. Coming to the third one, the force by which the earth pulls an object towards it. We have discussed that the earth pulls everything towards it, and that is called gravitational force. And if I throw a chalk or if I throw anything at the top, it will come down, isn't it? Oops. So it is called gravitational force, gravity. So earth pulls everything towards it, it is called gravitation. Gravitational force. So we have gravitational force which earth pulls everything towards it. F-O-R-C-E. G-R-A-V-I-T-A-T-I-O-N-A, gravitational. Now the fourth one, the middle layer of the earth, we have discussed about the different layers of the earth, and you all know that the upper layer is called the crust. Then we have the mantle which is in middle, and then we have the core. In core also we have two category, one is outer core and inner core. So between the core and the crust is the mantle. So mantle is our second layer of, or the middle layer of the earth. So our crust is the upper layer, and then we have the mantle, and then we have core. Okay, so core, mantle, crust. So mantle is the middle layer. And coming to the fifth one, children, the process of adding chlorine to water to kill germs. We know that we discussed that when water is impure, we need to purify it, we need to kill the germs, we need to remove the soluble and insoluble particles from it. So there are different ways of cleaning is by boiling. Boiling is the safest, you can say it is the best way of purifying water. Then we have distillation, we have sedimentation, decantation, filtration, chlorination. Also, by using chlorine gas in small quantity, we can purify the water. So it is known as chlorination. CHLORINATION, chlorination. So our answers: animals which give birth to young ones, mammals, animals that can live both on land and in water, amphibians. Number 3, the force by which the earth pulls an object towards it, gravitational force. The middle layer of the earth, mantle, and the last one, the process of adding chlorine to water to kill germs is called chlorination. Please write the correct spellings, children. Thank you.